And then the photo show is officially started. So a round of applause for Queen Wing Mako Bandit. So hello everyone, maayong hapon sa tanan and welcome to Cebu Ocean Park Amphitheater. My name is Andre and I'll be your host for today's show. Now our next verse is just like 80 best friends. And sometimes best friends can be competitive, right? So let's hear Blue and Azul. So Wind Trainer Cat is blue and Wind Trainer Lynx. Alright, Trainer is ready. Bird's ready. Set. Go. Come on, blue, come on, Azul. Now here the ball is first ball. Second ball for Azul. Followed by blue. And Azul going to win. Blue wins this round. That's right, Azul. It's an upset against the Azul. So Trainer Lynx, you lost this round. What can you say?
Well, the Trainer Cat, we want another race.
She wants another race going on.
Are you sure about that? You want Azul to lose again?
Oh my my.
Well, this time I guarantee you Azul and I will win.
Pretty confident. So what race have in mind?
Let's do a ring race. So the mechanics of this game is first bird, you can drop all 3 rings into the pool. The fastest is the winner. And that is a ring race.
So shall we? Now girls, remember the boys got 1 point already. So you'll know them for Azul this time, okay? And let's do it with the ring race. Now are you guys ready for the second round? Alright, Trainers ready. Birds ready. Set. Go. Come on, Azul. Come on, blue. There you go. First one. Come on, girls. Cheer for Azul. Second for blue. All these guys. Blue wins at the same time. What that clever technique. Both kids and girls. So, Trainer Cat, did you see that 3 rings? What can you say?
Hey, look at that Trainer. Next, you guys cheated.
Ooh, you guys did cheat?
No, we didn't cheat. Azul just used her brain.
Oh, wow. So, a round of applause for blue.
20% na Mr. Kenti Green.
Now this time, I need 1 adult volunteer with the money bill. So right there is Bandit, with Trainer next is Yoshi, and with Trainer. Now Bandit, say hi. Say hi. Hi. How about the other side? Say hello. Hello. Si Nana na siya lang. There you go. Now Rose, now let's see which next is our blue wave and the gold is about 60 to 70 years old. Now parents in general are very intelligent. That's why. Come on, David. Now, even though this is a learned behavior, this is not possible without managed intelligence, memory, and perception. So in the wild, they use their skills to find food, shelter, and a good place to rest. Now, actually, Bandit. And everyone's celebrating, right? So a round of applause for Green Wing Mako Bandit. Our second bird, Goldie. Now guys, if you think Goldie can find a hidden object, let me say, you can do it, Goldie. Alright, Goldie, find the hidden object. Goldie searching, scanning its shops. Oh, she's sensing something. And there you go, she found it. So a round of applause for Sunny Bird, Goldie. Glory dress. So kanang yellow sa head, we're going to yes. Now, next with Trainer Cat is our umbrella Kakatsu Nigel, also known as the Great White Kakatsu. Now, they're called umbrella Kakatsu Burma. So, if you compare Tweety and Nigel, you can tell the difference. Tweety has a yellow dress, while Mojo has a pure white dress. Now, actually, almost a sound. So if you're going to ask me, can this bird stop? Yes. So one of the birds, maybe not good. It's called mimicry behavior. Now, Tweety and Mojo, they live up. Alright, the numbers have been shuffled. Now let's call it our Black Wizards Snow. Now once again, Snow is our Moluccan combat sim. Now Snow 20 plus 7. So talagang time si Trainer Mary o si Snow na mag-study. Okay, Snow 20 plus 7. Let's see if Snow really loves numbers. Snow 20 plus 7. So, Trainer, ba na mag-study? Alright, let's go with Snow. And Snow knows the first number, number 2. So, guys, did Snow pick the right number? We're really sure ako ba? So, did Snow pick the right number? Let's start slowly. Continue your answer. And our closing goes number 7. So round of applause for Black Wizard Snow. And then go for Holy Kind Kingdom. Now goes first and before she goes Southeast Asia and Australia. So in Australia, they are known as Red Black Sea Eagles. But here in the Philippines, they are known as Cardinals. And if familiar yung bird, muna siya nasa logo, showing clearly na matang sa Their scientific name is Haliastur indus. And that's it for our Comicai Kingdom. Now in the words of Birds of Prey, females of serpent eagle are two different birds. So a Philippine eagle 3 times larger than Freddy. Freddy's scientific name is Pelornis volus. Now the gold serpent eagle lives because in the wild usually has snakes and other small reptiles. And there go for our Philippine serpent eagle Freddy. So guys, when you look to the left, there's something. And guys, by the way, if you fly a bird, please not sit down, okay? I like to ground a bird. And yet, if our bird will fly over, please don't try to reach or touch them, okay? So, di na siya maumisa. And number 1 sea eagle honey. Now those birds can be found in Southeast Asia and Australia. So in Australia, they are the second largest raptor. So again, I'm going to touch on bird. Now that eagle have very excellent eyesight. So now, please nakumove naman. Thank you. Now, these birds are very playful. They love to jump from perch to perch, showing off their chasing skills from one another. Now, these birds are omnivores, meaning they love to eat fruits as well as meat. Now, as you can see, hornbills are great food catchers. So for example, first one, two. Ayun. So you want more? Okay, all together. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Nicholas Northfield names it. So a round of applause, please. Now in devotion part, we believe there is hope. Now guys, who knows the 3 R's of proper waste disposal? It's reuse, reduce, and again, it's reuse, reduce, and recycle. Now let's go to our lovely bird. He's gonna show us how to dispose our waste. Now sadly, a lot of animals today are struggling. That is because of pollution and improper waste disposal. So always keep in mind, reduce waste, reduce plastics, and recycle everything you can. So if Bandit can do it, so can we. But guys, before we have Bandit would like to say something. Merry Christmas to you all. So thank you for watching and goodbye.